Right, this is the video. I'm actually slotting it in because I couldn't get it before. And if I go onto the, so when you go onto the link, if you go onto the PIX11, Pix1, posted by Pix1, and that's his YouTube channel, and it comes up whereby I can then push it forward, because it's quite a long time during the video for the red arrows to actually appear. So I'm slotting this in. So when you click that, it comes up on a Facebook, which is much easier to manage. So I'm going to start it here, and then but I'm going to run this across so that we get the red arrows.
I got the first ones. Got the first one? Where are you looking at, Tom?
That's at point 9:30.
Above the trade center. And here we go. We have the first ones right here. There's all of them. They're all there.
Here they are, right there. So thrilling. I mean, I know I'm in UK, but it's also UK is involved in this. Thank God. There's a change in the UK coming. What skill. Look at that.
Thunderbirds are with them. These are the red sparrows with F-22s. Red arrows.
Not red sparrows, red arrows.
Beautiful.
Isn't that magnificent? All those young men with such skill, and their teachers. And they flew over at the 9:30 a.m. bell for Wall Street. This is showing that the fiat financial currency has gone.
Are they doing it wide over the wood? No, they're off our left side. Now, coming correct, they're probably going to come back and go a little bit more low level past the city as they go up. Of course, that's a guess. I got them. Yeah, we're at our 10 o'clock. Yeah, I don't have them. Yeah, they're definitely in the haze. Still at the 10 o'clock. Stand by, looks like they're doing a left turn.
Perfect formation.
Yeah, they swept around right and then swept around left, it looks like. Correct. And they're going to be coming this way. control of them all. Getting the Thunderbirds first. Beautiful V formation. Okay, right now they're at 8 o'clock. Probably going to go around by the BC. Maybe a left turn a little bit. I'll keep them all in formation, then I'm going to zoom in on the Thunderbird first. Right now they're around 10 o'clock. Coming in hot. Once again, if you're joining us on Facebook Live, this is a military flyover, something historical. The English haven't joined us in the last time was 10 years ago. Is that right, Tom?
Perfect.
Got him up.
Amazing.
Yep. Got him. Wide shot. If I see if I can get him easy also, that would be nice to look at, but they're a little high. Right at the very top. What we have is the Thunderbirds.
They're Thunderbirds.
Beautiful. Widen out here.
They're the red arrows. They've got that one ahead leading them. Whoops. Go away.
That's the smoke. That's what I was looking for.
Oh. And a helicopter there. Oh, now the colours. I'm so excited to see this.
That is awesome.
This was on the 22nd. This happened.
Something you don't get to see every day, folks.
We're the 24th today. Oh, how amazing to have been there. Federal Reserve started in 1913. 1910 they planned it. The central banks. Bank of England was set up to destroy America in 1694. This is absolutely historic. This is the non-verbal comment. Your fiat system is gone. And good riddance. And Mark Carney announced at the meeting that they were having that about going on to the gold standard.
And now they're going over the Empire State. Just off the water on the Hudson River. Heading back up to the airport.
That line of colour. Oh, okay.
Beautiful red, white, and blue over the city.
I better finish it before they finish. Last glimpse of New York.